Hello guys and welcome back to another amazing episode on NewYorkDashCam channel. We prepared a compilation of all sorts of epicness caught on driver's dashcam, so make sure to sit tight, grab your snacks and enjoy in this one.
So Florida is really blessed with natural infrastructure.
In this video, we will see how a reckless driver made a left turn and took the cameras right away. Unfortunately, he caused an accident as well. Camera came across a scene of a crash aftermath in which a truck was overturned in this construction area.
Wouldn't you
Holy
forgive her
crap.
back?
Where that, I mean, that girl's parents got
Right,
it somewhere.
Great question.
maybe-
Or maybe it's
they're
the
the
parents
ones-
under investigation and it was
Right.
just a...
Flip-flop.
Yeah.
This is every foster kid's dream to have it.
Right,
Just, oh,
yeah.
just kidding. We're your real parents.
Yeah.
Come with us now.
To live in our
stay
mansion.
home.
Yeah.
Yeah. God. That would mess with your head for life.
My
Sure.
daughter's got this thing with the dog now. If the dog doesn't do exactly what she wants, like, hey, Cassie, come here.
Yeah.
Come here. You're adopted.
Oh, that's not very nice.
Camera was approaching the traffic lights and he caught a really bad crash as one driver who ran the red caused it all. Always stop at the red light, because those few seconds you try to beat the light can cost you your life and the lives of others. In this video, the camera caught some reckless moves done by some crazy drivers. The purpose of these clips is to show you how bad your decisions can affect you and the ones around you as well. Please, use your turn signals on time, don't run red lights, and for the love of God, don't dangerously cut in front of semi-trucks. Value your life more.
Of course I seen it. I told you to watch this. Stupid mother. Run him in the ground. Damn. What the hell? God damn.
Don't you speak to my children that way. I've had it.
What's going on? Oh, Amazon rolled over. Look at it.
You can't keep her. She doesn't belong
Flipped
to you.
over.
belong to you either. That doesn't stop you.
I had my reasons.
This crazy biker dangerously forced his way in front of two semi-trucks with barely any space left to pass, but he managed to find a space in the tight gap, and not only that, but he flew past them like lightning.
Whoa, what the goddamn motorcycle, man? What the hell? He passed right between me and that goddamn semi. Trying to get him killed, man.
His car, our car got down.
Oh, good catch, baby. I've never even seen it.
So how are they supposed to know? What? Look at this right. Look at it. Ate the light. Look at that. Ate the light.
We were just gonna go
With you or no signal. Oh my God.
We have prisons to keep real life buildings.
Look at this. That's crazy. Really? Like why? Run the light? Wow. Okay, here we go. Another red light runner. Typical. Wow.
This driver was speeding on the road, but he didn't think that a police officer was there. Unfortunately for him, he told bad, and he was unlucky. A cop immediately switched his lights on and pulled him over.
Now the white car is the one that flew by and passed him. No, that's not even.
Unfortunately, another episode comes to an end, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching and maybe learning something valuable out of all these fails. After all, that's the purpose of this channel. Make sure to leave a like, because we will really appreciate it. And while you're at it, please do subscribe and click on the bell button as well. Until the next episode, drive safe and take care.